Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see quick solutions for exercise 5.2, the second question, first subdivision. Differentiate 2x plus 3 the whole power x minus 5 given x is greater than equal to minus 3 by 2. Now let's equate this whole expression as y. So y is equal to 2x plus 3 the whole power x minus 5. We are going to take log on both sides. So take log on both sides. So log y is equal to, this will become x minus 5 into log of 2x plus 3. So we need to understand why this was done like this. You need to know that log a power m is nothing but m log a. So using that property, the right hand side becomes x minus 5 into log of 2x plus 3. Now you can start to differentiate on both sides. So differentiating with respect to x, we are differentiating. So the left side will become 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, now here this is going to become a uv, so where u is x minus 5 and v is going to be log of 2x plus 3. So it is u into v dash, which is going to be 1 divided by 2x plus 3. I also need to do a multiplication of 2 because I am doing a chain rule differentiation of 2x plus 3. Plus, this time I'm going to retain log 2x plus 3. U dash is just 1. So it is log of 2x plus 3. So this I can rewrite this as 2 into x minus 5, the whole thing divided by 2x plus 3 plus log of 2x plus 3. Now, the final answer is going to be, the solution that we need is for dy by dx. So I have to bring the y to the other side. So when I bring the y to the other side, dy by dx is actually y into this whole expression that you have, which is 2 into x minus 5 divided by 2x plus 3 plus log of 2x plus 3. Now, y is the new variable that you introduced to differentiate the input function. The actual value of y is actually 2x plus 3 the whole power x minus 5. So let's substitute here. So this is 2x plus 3 the whole power x minus 5, and open bracket, you write what you have taken, which is 2 into x minus 5 the whole thing divided by 2x plus 3 plus log of 2x plus 3. So this is the final answer because of computation of dy by dx. In the next video, we will see the solution for the second subdivision in this question. See you in the next video. Bye.